the skies over Tel Aviv ablaze. Explosions heard and plumes of smoke visible after Iran fired hundreds of ballistic missiles towards Israel. Retaliation for Israel's attack on Iran, which began the day before. Iranian television shows celebrations, while Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, warns of grave consequences.
Life will become bitter for them, without doubt. They cannot think that they've hit us and it's over. No, they started this, and now they've launched a war. We will not let them get away with this large-scale crime. The forces